Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your account supports shorts and playlists. This matters because some features vary by region. Next, collect the vertical 16 videos you want. If they already exist, tag them as shorts with #shorts in the title or description. Once done, open YouTube Studio on desktop or the YouTube app on mobile and go to Content. This gets you immediately into management so you can create a playlist and start adding videos right away. Now you create the playlist. Click Create Playlist and choose a clear, searchable name that signals it contains shorts. Set privacy to public if you want discoverability, or unlisted for sharing without indexing. Make sure to explain why to yourself so decisions match goals. After that, add your shorts. Use the Add to Playlist button on each video, then reorder with drag and drop to craft pacing. Once sequences look good, save and preview the flow to ensure each clip transitions logically. Finish by customizing the playlist cover and description. These details improve click-through and retention because viewers know what to expect. Once configured, promote the playlist on your channel, add it to your shorts shelf, or share links on social platforms to drive initial views. If a short doesn't appear, make sure it is vertical, under 60 seconds, and includes #shorts. Also check for copyright claims or regional restrictions. Address those issues. Then refresh the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.